Your grass seed can use way more than just that blast of starter fertilizer you're going to give it when you put it out on your lawn. Greene County Fertilizer has created a program that will do more than just get your grass seed started. It will get it established and ready for whatever Mother Nature wants to throw at it. This program starts on seed down day and covers the first 42 days of your fresh baby grass. The seed and overseed pack consists of Green Pop, Green Start, Green Punch, and RGS. On day 0 or seed down day, you are going to put out 12 ounces per gallon of Green Pop and 3 ounces per gallon of RGS. And as always, each gallon covers 1,000 square feet. Green Pop acts as our traditional starter fertilizer here. The 16% nitrogen gets the seed cracked and the grass growing, the 21% phosphorus gets those roots growing, and the RGS assists with that root development. With traditional starter fertilizer applications, that's pretty much it until you do your winterizer at the end of the season. But that's not the case with N-Ext. Speaking for me personally here, and really for most of us that are doing a seeding and overseeding project, we have maybe around 2 months before that first frost of the year. So getting that grass growing, but here's the real key of the situation, getting that baby grass established is really important in that shortened window. And that's why there's multiple steps to the seeding and overseeding program. Like 21 days after that application of Green Pop, you're going to put out 12 ounces per thousand of 901 Green Start. Now this is going to keep the grass growing, but you're not pushing it with a bunch of nitrogen, but causing that grass to grow, causing it to use that energy is going to help not only with the top growth and the color, but it's going to help keep those roots diving down deep and thickening up. And you're also going to put out 3 ounces per thousand of RGS. And while we all love a beautiful lawn, if your baby grass's roots aren't well established, as soon as a really rough winter, or like this year, a really rough summer comes and hits, that beautiful lawn isn't gonna last. The last step in the seed and overseed package, you're gonna put out 12 to 15 ounces per thousand of Green Punch and 3 ounces per thousand of RGS. Now, depending on your weather and your location, this could end up being your last application of fertilizer for the year. So you're giving your lawn a good punch. You see what I did there with Green Punch? You're giving your lawn a good punch of nitrogen with 18% from the Green Punch while still focusing on the roots with the RGS. The seed and overseed pack is more than just starter fertilizer. It is a full grass seed program that gets that baby grass growing and pushes it through establishment. As you're planning out your fall lawn program, whether you're doing an overseed, your spot seeding, or you're doing a complete renovation, get your grass seed growing with N-Ext. I'll see you all later. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.